This is fresh veggie.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you. That's where we buy the fruits, vegetable. Oh my God, nice market. Go. And we have my strawberry, kaimito, and avocado. Jackfruit, you want?
32,000.
Oh.
No, I don't have too much.
Okay. Then it's too far to come back here for fruits, unless they have I hope so. Yeah. Nami diri sa kalye guys, adto mi padong sa Golden Bridge. Pero wala jud kayo siya mga car nga magparking diri dapita. O pila ra ka lugas mga car ako nakita 1 2 3 4. Diyan kan sila mga buwak guys, nindot. Pero really jud traffic. I don't know asay da traffic dapit diri. Nice zigzag plants. Oh, tanawa guys, dili kayo traffic diri guys. Ano ba yan? At mi sa kuan, di ba highway man to dito, di mi mo agi dito kay kuan daghan kay sakyanan, di kana kumba na banha. So shortcut mi diri adto padong. Wow, daghang buwak. Wow, daghang buwak bio. I'm here at vegetable garden or flower garden. Ah, nice. But it's cloudy guys. In the morning it was nicer. And here, it's salad garden. Puro altura sa ani di ay guys. Nindot kaila by the road ilahang kuan. Ambot kahagwa ba ni mga dust diri ilahang gulay. Kay it's all by the road with all the, but not too many bus or jeep here. Like tangkong, oh ganas. Wow, walay mangagi nga sakyanan diri. So okay ra siguro mag-garden sila diri guys. Oh, see talong. Imagine guys, oh, sa Philippines man napuno na sa abok o kamatis. Wow. Ito na silang Laura, naglakaw na. Was lang mga diri guys, mga motor, way mo agi diri nga lain sakyanan. Hi guys. I'm all alone here in Vietnam Road. Oh, there's one motorbike there. Pero pinakamingaw diri nga road. Way nangagi, wala po yung mga kotse kayo na marking. Sa akong gilabian, murag duha tulo pa itong nakitaan ako. So many streets guys, oh, so many roads, so quiet, so big, but why mangagi guys? Pila ra ka lugas nangagi diri, oh, ano ba yan? So mingaw, very big roads. As in, what jud, gamay ra kaayo, diri nga side, murag daghan-daghan kotse na marking. Very mingaw gyud diri guys. So here we are walking by the road here in Vietnam. It's not so much traffic guys. Umbot lang. I don't know sa main road. Pero diri daghan kayo wala gyud. Karon diri nga street na daghan na marking. So, but also one thing po guys, no, daghan kay jung kahoy sa ilang mga kalsada. So landong ra siya maglakaw. Adto mi padung sa bridge, Golden Bridge. So we are here in the big river of Vietnam. I mean Danang. Hey, at night there will be a lot of people maybe. So where is the very bad weather jud guys? Sakto jud lang forecast nga bad weather. Ang few drops. There's the Golden Bridge. That's the continuation of the beach or what? Oh, that's where we passed last night. So there's a lot of stagnant fish here.
The river is not stagnant.
We are going to the Golden Bridge pero wala suga pa guys kay sayo pa 3:30 in the Philippines or 4:30 in kuan. In the Philippines di ay 4:30 here it's 3:30. This is the Golden Bridge, para wa pa'y lights. No lights pa. Big building, and it's cloudy day. Okay guys. So ako ra pong usama istorya diri sa Vietnam is kay wala jud siya basura dud. Mao jud siya ako nakita, murag grabe sila ka disiplinado diri. Manto sa mi sa Golden Bridge. Oh, Golden Bridge. This is the Golden Bridge. So we walk to the other side or what? Call it Golden Bridge because the color is gold and the weather is also gray, and we passed there last night, that bridge, but it's nicer at night because there is lights. And here this bridge is made just for walking or bicycling, but we're the only one here guys kay it's a Tuesday afternoon, nobody but us. Hello, my YouTube channel followers, viewers, subscribers. Welcome to Danang. Wa man ko kakita. There is a nice golden bridge here for walking, and that's the background. And that's the other bridge. At night na siya suga, guys. Okay. I hope you don't get sick because it's raining. There's another one there, Bio. I think that's the other one there.
Dragon Bridge, that's the one we're supposed to go to.
We will go there. I thought this is golden also.
Basic knowledge of Danang, one of the places you have to see.
Yeah, we will go. Can walk there. If you have still power, kili-kili power. Yeah, sa mula ka na pet.
Mas nindot lang siya sa gabi. Ito, kung makita ang light.
Here we are in the Dragon Bridge in Danang. And the weather is bad. So we will just take it around 5:30 already in the Philippines. 4:30 here. Darky. We are here in the group marina, the port with a lot of display of the market. A tourist here. It's a rough sea and it's cold. So we're going here to the Danang signage at night. Wow, it's empty. So time check here in Danang is 9:30.
Daar gaan we misschien naar tussen. Missie.
Oh.
Daar hadden de Vietnamezen en die hebben dat plats genoemd.
Very colorful. Nice. No, that's what I said. I'm sure the line only. Nice guys, ilang airport sa Danang. Wow. My second Asian invasion. Thailand is my first, and here.